Hi, welcome back to LeetCode. In we discuss LeetCode problem 3424. The minimum cost to make arrays identical. So you are given two integer arrays ARR and BRR of length n. So both are actually equal length and integer k. So you can perform the following operation on array any number of times. So you can split array into any number of contiguous subarrays and rearrange these subarrays in any order. This operation has a fixed cost of k. So to split an array, we actually need cost k. And another operation we can do is that choose any element in array and add or subtract a positive integer x to it. The cost of this operation is x. So whatever actually value we will add or subtract, that actually the cost for this operation. So we have to return the minimum total cost to make array equal to BRR, ARR equal to BRR. So what actually we can do? One thing on observation here is that the first problem is example is -7 9 5. Another is 7 -2 -5. So first operation is that here actually k is 2. K is 2. So if I call this operation 1, actually we will split the array ARR into any number of contiguous subarray and then actually we can rearrange in any order. Now suppose I have used a cost is equal to 2. Now what actually we can do? We can just split any. This actually I can actually split this. Now if I rearrange this, what actually I can rearrange? Rearrange in any order. Suppose -7 5 9. Okay, so this is after operation 1 and this is now ARR and BRR is 7 -2 -5. So how actually we will get the minimum cost, right? So if we arrange this ARR in this order, then what will the cost to convert -7 to 7? What is the cost? Cost will be, I have to add 14. Cost will be 14. Like I have to convert -7 to 7. So actually I have to add plus 14. So the cost for this operation will be 14. Now I have to convert plus 5 to -2. What is the cost to convert this? I have to subtract -7. So ultimately cost will be 7. Alright. Here actually what is the cost to convert 9 to -5? The cost will be, I have to subtract 14 with 9. So if I subtract 14 from 9, then I will get -5, right? So the cost for this operation will be 14. So total cost for will be what? To divide or split the array into subarray, any number of subarray. Now for this, if I rearrange this ARR into this order, then the cost for this element to convert 7 will be 14. Then this is for 7, this is for again 14. So here actually what is the answer? Cost is 28 35 37, right? So for this way the cost is 37. Now I can actually rearrange in any order. Suppose I rearrange the ARR after split. Suppose this is 9, then 5, then -7. Okay. Now this is BRR is actually -2 -5. So after rearrange, ARR actually look like this and BRR actually input is 7 -2 -5. Now what is the cost for this conversion 9 to 7? I have to subtract -2. So the cost for this operation will be 2. Here actually 5 to -2. The cost will be what? I have to subtract -7. So the cost will be 7. Here I have to convert 7 to -7 to -5. So I have to add plus 2. So the total cost will be what? One is to split, to rearrange. Another is for this 2. Then it is 7, then plus 2. What is the cost for this? 2 plus 2, this is 4. And this is 7 11, 11 plus 2, 13. So this is actually smaller than this. So this will be one. This will be our current minimum answer. Now, when actually I can actually get the minimum answer? So there is two approaches. Suppose our k for this operation, for this example, suppose ARR is 10, 20, 30, and BRR is suppose minus 10, 30, 20. Okay. So if I don't call the operation 1, if I don't use, so if I use actually that operation, split operation, then actually I will divide length 1 as a subarray, length 1, then actually I can reorder or rearrange this. So if I don't want to split, then what will be the answer? If I don't do any operation, then what will be the cost for this? 10 to minus 10, this will be cost will be 20. Here actually the cost will be 10. Here actually cost will be again 10. So total cost will be 40. If I don't do any operation in split, then the cost is 40. Now suppose our k is 100. Okay, k is 100. Now if I use to split first, split the ARR, then actually rearrange, then what will be the happen? So first of all, I will divide 10, 20, 30 each as a subarray. Now I can rearrange this. So how actually we should rearrange? Rearrange in any order, like sorted. How actually sorted? So then it will give the smallest value. So this is the thing. Suppose 2, 3, 4. Another is 1, 2, 3. Both are actually sorted. I will sort both the array. Now if I do the if I want to calculate the cost, here it will cost will be 1. Here actually cost will be 1. Here actually cost will be 1. So total cost will be 3. And for this splitting, I need k plus 3. Got it? So this is the case 2. When I want to split the subarray and then actually I want to apply the operation. So this actually help us when? This will help us if our k is, if I add this k plus the, after sorting the both the array ARR and BRR, then actually if the total cost is less than the, if I don't call any the split operation, then I will use the whatever this is less, that will be our cost, right? So this is case 1, when you don't want to use any splitting. Just use, if I don't want to split, then what will be the cost? And if I want to split, then after splitting, I will actually rearrange all the subarray as an sorted order. Why sorted order? Means this will give the total cost as minimum, right? So that's why I will sort this in order. So let's go to the code. So this is first of all, there are two answers possible. One answer is when we don't want to split or don't want to apply the operation 1, first operation. So what I will do, I will take one variable, that is answer 1, initially it is 0. So for each position I will check if what will be the cost I need to convert any number minus 7 to 7 here. So how to do, I will take the absolute value of array I, ARR I and BRR I, and I will take the absolute value and I will convert this into long because I would return the, and return type is long. Okay, so this will actually this answer will actually store the total cost if I don't want to apply any splitting operation, right? Now if I apply any if I want to apply the split operation, then what will happen? I will actually store the number in a sorted order, then actually it will give the total minimum cost to convert for the operation 2. In operation 2 actually it will help us to minimize the total cost, right? So that's why I will sort both the array ARR and BRR both. Okay, now this is answer 2. Answer 2 initially it will be k because I am splitting the array, so this will only call once. So that's why initial value of answer 2 is k. Now I will check that after sorting, like here actually minus 7, 5, 9, here actually minus 5, minus 2, minus 7, only 7. Then check for I have to convert minus 7 to minus 5, then what will be the cost? This will cost will be 2, so I will add this into the answer 2. I will take the absolute value. Got it? Now I will check what is the minimum answer. If I want to split, then actually I am getting the minimum value, or if I don't split, then actually if I try to convert, then actually I am getting the minimum value. So whatever the actually minimum value, I will return that. So what are the time velocity? The algorithm is clear. If you any doubt, any suggestion, you will comment on that. And if you like this process, please like the video. And if you not yet subscribe, please subscribe the channel. Now, what is the time velocity of this for this code? So here actually you can check that we are running a for loop. So this will run n time. So time velocity for this will be big of n. Now we are actually calling this sort function 2 times. So we know that average time velocity for sorting is big of n log n. So here actually the length is n, assuming, so time velocity for this will be n log n. And here also again we are running this for loop n time. So total time velocity will be n plus n log n. So maximum time velocity will be n log n. Space velocity, no, we are not using any extra space, right? We are taking only the answer variable and int n. So it's okay, this will be constant space complexity, right? Space will be constant big of 1. Got it? Thank you.